So this tutorial is about the left atrium of the heart. The left atrium of the heart consists of a main cavity, the left atrium, and the left auricle, just like in the right atrium. It is situated behind the right atrium and it forms a greater part of the base and posterior surface of the heart. So we've got 4 openings, the 4 pulmonary veins, 2 from each lungs open through these posterior walls, and they've got no valves. If I rotate this model, then we've got this left atrioventricular orifice that's guarded by the mitral valve. And if I rotate this model again, then we've got a wall that divides the right atrium from the left atrium, the interatrial septum. Behind the left atrium is an oblique sinus of serous and fibrous pericardium that separated from the esophagus, so that's not demonstrated clearly in the model. So we've got this left atrium, and just here lies this serous and fibrous pericardium. So that's all about the left atrium of the heart. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a deeper look at the left ventricle.